Hey guys, so today I want to walk you through your first engineering design project, which is our paper airplane for our stick person. So make sure that when you open this report in Classroom, you put your name, the date you started the project, and then your class period. If you are remote, then just put the hour and remote, which for this is all second hour. So background on this project is that your stick person has done really well in quarantine and just really wants a vacation. So you are going to be building a paper airplane for your stick person to take on a quick vacation. Now he's only trying to cross the 30-foot wide creek, but for a stick person, that's pretty daunting. So you are going to use your household materials and a base of paper to build an airplane that is only powered by you and is using essentially recycled materials, but again, mostly made out of paper, to carry your stick person at least 30 feet and land him safely on the other side. So what I'm going to need you to do is to start going through the engineering design process and filling in this report. So under the first part, identify, you are going to be listing constraints, limitations, and goals. And you want to make sure that they're pretty clearly labeled. And most of the information is found in the background above. For research, I don't expect you to ever create a project completely from scratch without seeing what other people have done in the past. So if you use any websites for reference, just copy and paste the link in here, and that is plenty for me. And you're going to imagine. So you're going to hand sketch your design. You're not going to be judged on your artistic ability, but you're going to want to show a front, side, and top view of your design. And I'll show you an example of that a little bit later in another video. And you can either print this out, hand draw it, and turn it in, or you can draw it out on a different piece of paper and then simply insert an image of it into your report. Then for create, you're going to actually be building your design, and you're going to be bringing it to, you will be bringing it to class if you're an in-class student. If you are a remote student, then I'll be contacting you later about how we are going to perform our test, but you will insert an actual photo of the top, side, and front view of your final design after you've done your imagining. Then we're going to test the different factors that we listed up as our goals and constraints under identify. After that, with the test, you're going to list things of what went well, what could be improved, and the different changes you might do for your second round. For every design project we do, we will do at least 2 rounds, because the whole point of the engineering design process is to improve upon a previous design. So we will then be creating a second design, which should still use the base of your first, just modified to improve the things that you list. And then we are going to test it out. So if you have questions on that, please let me know. This should not be super extravagant. I have had people who've taped like 20 pieces of paper together to make a supersized airplane. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but it does need to be able to carry your stick person and make it across about 30 feet. So get creative and have fun with it.